The all-seeing eye of the motion picture camera can document history, explore and reflect our culture and our times, record, create, or synthesize art and life itself. Thus, the magic of the cinema lens gives to us a limitless power to teach, inform, activate, demonstrate, inspire, motivate, sell. But with this power, we must also assume a heavy responsibility. We must be forever conscious of our obligation to check the focus and exposure, because if we don't, the pictures will turn out all fuzzy and too dark or too light, and the colors will be just lousy.